Want fuller, plumper lips that last? While there's no guaranteed way to permanently enlarge your lips naturally, there are powerful methods, both at home and professionally, that can create long-lasting results. In this video, we'll explore the best techniques, from lip plumpers and makeup tricks to exercises and cosmetic procedures to help you achieve the bigger, more defined lips you've always wanted. Let's get started. Using lip-plumping products. Lip plumpers come in gloss, balm, stick, gel, and pot forms. They work by mildly irritating the lips, causing temporary swelling that lasts a few hours. Reapply as needed. Look for ingredients like cinnamon, mint, ginger, wintergreen, or capsicum. They boost blood flow and give lips a fuller appearance. For best results, use lip plumpers as a base before applying lipstick or gloss. Avoid overuse as it can dry out or irritate your lips. For longer-lasting effects, try treatment plumpers, which may stimulate collagen production over time. Getting bigger lips with makeup. Use the right products and techniques to enhance your lips. Start by gently exfoliating with a toothbrush, washcloth, or sugar to remove dead skin and boost plumpness. Exfoliate only occasionally, especially before applying lipstick. Next, apply a light lip balm to moisturize. Avoid heavy, waxy products. Then, outline your lips slightly outside the natural lip line with a dark lip liner to create a fuller effect. Fill in the corners of your lips with the same lip liner and use the lighter lipstick shade on the center. Blend the two shades together with your finger or a lip brush for a smooth, natural look. Finish with a layer of lip gloss to add shine, and dab a small amount of highlighter to the center of your top and bottom lips for extra dimension. Enjoy your fuller-looking pout. Taking care of your lips. Keep your lips healthy and full by staying hydrated. Aim for around 75 ounces of water daily, especially if you live in a hot climate or exercise often. Avoid licking your lips as saliva can strip natural oils and cause dryness. Don't smoke as it can discolor your lips and cause wrinkles. Use a daily lip balm with SPF to protect from sun damage. Avoid over-exfoliating and instead focus on keeping your lips consistently moisturized. If your lips stay chapped, consider allergic reactions. Avoid irritating foods, check your toothpaste for harsh ingredients, and skip heavily scented products. Exercising your lips. Daily lip exercises can gradually enhance fullness, but results may take up to 4 weeks. Always keep lips hydrated to prevent irritation. Start with simple movements like blowing a kiss. Press your lips together and release gently. Do this 5 to 10 times. Now smile as wide as you can, then switch to a big kissy face. Repeat this 10 times. Press your lips tightly together, creating tension. Hold for 5 seconds. Do this for 10 reps. Now puff your cheeks and move the air side to side like you're rinsing with mouthwash. Repeat 10 times. Try the duck face. Press your lips together and lift them toward your nose. Hold for 5 seconds. Now breathe in deeply, form your lips into an O shape, and exhale slowly in 2 to 3 blows. And finally, pretend to blow out a candle with full lip extension. Repeat 5 times. And don't forget, take breaks if your lips or face feel sore. Like any muscles, your facial muscles need rest too. And cosmetic procedures for fuller lips. If natural methods aren't enough, lip augmentation may be an option. This involves dermal fillers, usually with hyaluronic acid, or fat grafting, more invasive. The procedure is quick, usually done in office with minimal downtime. Lips are numbed, injected, and treated with ice afterwards. Avoid applying products until cleared by your doctor. While generally safe, risks include swelling, bruising, lumps, asymmetry, or allergic reactions. Always consult your doctor about any allergies beforehand. Thanks for watching.